So, welcome back everybody. So, you already know that in the previous part we installed Python. Uh, Python. I told you to how to install Python and we also wrote our first program. So now we are going to study one of the most important Python function, the print function and comments. So almost every Python programmer use print function. So the in one of the first it is one of the first function every programmer learns. So let's learn it in detail. So the print function is one of the most frequently used in Python function. So it displays text, number, variable, and calculation and result on the screen. So example print hello. So it will show hello on the display screen. Here you will print 10. So it will show 10 on the display screen. You can also add number in between, do calculation, multiplication, and other things like here it print 5 plus 3. Here this result get 8. So let's go run it on this on compiler. So it, here if we write Python 5 plus 3, then if we run it, then it will show the calculated and show 8. So but here there is a catch. Many young new beginner use type do calculation in double columns. So if we put 5 plus 3 in double column, it will not print. Basically, it do not calculate. So like here it only display 5 plus 3, not 5 plus do calculation of 5 plus 3. So there is a catch for calculation. You have to remove that double bracket in it. But parenthesis is compulsory. Like if you don't put if you put print 5 plus 3 uh, and run it, then here it will show an error on line number 3. Here error in line number 3. So print, and if you also put it in 5 double column 3 like this, it is also an error. Look, so here. So the print function is used to display output on the screen whenever you want to show text, number, variable, and result. We use print function. So the way these are the syntax. So here syntax is print plus value. If value is in numerical words strings, it will in double column. If it is calculation, it will in we will remove the double column. So these are the here you can also print number like yeah, one major thing also is if you print number like numerical value, then you do not need to put double column in it. Like I print 100, so without double column, it this directly show 100. But you can also print it in double column too. Numerical value also, but it is of string data type that we'll learn ahead in further videos in detail. So here you can also type in using decimal like this 100. So you can also remove it. Yeah, so printing now we will understand printing multiple value. you can print multiple values separated by commas. So like here, name of a person is age. This is a variable data type. You will learn about variable in further video. Here you simply see mm, see name James age 19. So here print a name age. So like if we print mm, first, if you take a name as James, then age equal to 19. If you print James, no, here is the type. Name is the name. It is the name that you want to display on the screen, but it is a variable data type. If you want to print the variable value, then you have to put comma in here, and without any double column, you have to put the name of the variable. So like I put name. So here, like, wait a minute, something like, yeah. So here, let's see what the error come here. So name, here name equal to James is not defined. Okay, okay. Oh, I forgot to put it is of a string data type. So I forgot to put it in a string. So like you already see that these are the basic mistake that happened to a developer. I also did it. So here the name James print on in the screen. You can also put an age in same line. Like if you put name here age like this. Name James age 19. Yeah, look at this. So and you can make another line too, like print age. Here, here the name is James age equal to 19 here. You can also, you already know, you can also do it. Now there is an interesting question in my mind. If I put another variable name marks equal to 45, and if we print name plus marks. So here you can see this is a error. So the error come here because this is a variable, not the value, actual value. I will explain it in further detail. You will not understand right now. So next one is escape character. Escape character help format output. So like here, this is the most important that a programmer use in many programming language. Most of the programming use it, that is new line character. This is used for new line making, like this is basically, and this is tab space, and this is backlash. Here example like print syntax of new line characters. I will explain it by writing typing it in my compiler, so then you will understand it. So wait a minute. Hello. So if I write type print name slash n dash Maria. Here, here the name slash n act as like next line character. Put the next word in the next line. Here the uh, Maria will come in next line. You clearly visible. Yes, like you can also put this word in next line here in it. Here, like if you put like uh, run it. Here, look at this. The name James come in next line. Yeah, see the next word that have to be display on the screen come on the next line. Then basically, so this is the concept. You can also put many of the variable in same line. Like if you want to print name, age, here you can see it. It simply shows James 19, your name and your age. So this is also easier to understand for you. So now we will learn about using the comment. Before comment, we will also one more topic need to learn, that is using the shape operator. Basically, most of the people don't know about shape operator. So basically, so I just picking up my notes. So the shape operator is used to distinct the, like you have to print here name and age. So if you want it between, like here it is in lex uh, just a space. If you want comma or double space underscore or something like that in between it, so you can uh, use it by, you can do it by using shape operator. So basically it is like shape equal to, if you put, if you want to put in this, then it, look, then it come separated by like that. If you want with underscore, yeah, then it is like that. So it is easier to understand now. Yeah. So and also we will, now this clear is also clear. So this is the basic. So now the next one is comment in Python. Yeah, one more thing. You can also write Boolean expression in it. Like if you want print, here you, something I doing wrong here. Like yeah, like this. It will also print Boolean expression in Python, like true, false. Now, if you learn about it in detail, like here I print in next line I print false. Yeah, like that. So now moving to the next word, that is comment in Python. So comment improve code reliability and are ignored by Python. That are ignored by Python. So single line comment. So this is the has, if, so basically comment, like if you are a developer and you give a, your code to another person who know much deep in Python. So and don't know about which code is using for what. So there, so the comment come to that place where comment you can put, but that only come display in code, not in your code, not on your display screen that the output come. It will display only on your code, so you can so that someone other then you easily say that here you can put here the loops code, hashtag loop code. If you use loop code in comment, so the other person easily understand that he use loop code there. So like comment basically single line comment using hashtag or multi-line comment using triple quote. So this this so let's do it. So this is called boolean, so we will write boolean. So here boolean is not display on the output, but it display on the basic on our code. Yeah. So this is the concept. So if we use remove it, then it will basically show error because it is on display and it has no meaning. So yeah, we will make here. If you go like that and like this, so it will also error because there are two line comment. Line comment is not possible by single hashtag. Single hashtag is only for single line comment. For multi line comment, you have to use triple quote like this. I using triple quote. I type anything like this and next line. And many users did that. Many of the beginners do like they type triple quote in front of the comment but do not end with it. Here the we also have to end it with triple quote. If you don't end with it, then it simply show error because it their print value also is in comments, under comments. So if it is triple quote, then yeah, it is. So look at that. And these are not come in under comments. So these are the comments in Python. So common mistake for getting quotation mark around text is also necessary. Missing closing parenthesis in print function. I already told you the incorrect identification when copying code, missing text and variable incorrectly. So here, so the practice question with answer here. Which function display output? You already study in this video that print function display the output. So how do you write the single line comments? You know that by hashtag. And if I ask you how to write multi-line comment, then you already know that multi-line comment is right using triple quote, and you also have to start with triple quote and also end with the triple quote. It is necessary. So write a program to print the name in the city. Like here he print name James and city New Delhi. So here commit. So this is this, that's it in this video. So I hope you will like this video.